Welcome to the Excel portion of problem 13.2. As you can see, I've already pre-populated the problem with the months and the demand. So we need to fill in some of the other areas. So in this particular case, we need to calculate the cost per unit. So we're going to take the 80, divide it by 8 hours, and then multiply it by 1.6. And to get our $16 per unit. The subcontracting is $20 per unit. As a little check, the regular time should be less than subcontracting, otherwise you would just subcontract it. We don't, in this particular part of the problem, have to enter any of the other information. The regular production is 22 days at $30, 30 units per day, so 660. 18 days, and then 21 days, 21 days, 22 days, and 20 days. We can enter a formula for the subcontracting because any of the shortfall you're going to subcontract. So we're going to take the 900 and we're going to subtract the regular production of 660, and then we can simply copy this down and we get 109 to 20. So that's for part A, if I didn't make that clear. In part B, the only thing that changes is our production goes from $30 30 units per day to 35. So I'm going to simply copy this sheet. I'm going to make a copy of the sheet. All right, here, create a copy of sheet 2. So I don't have to redo all this. I'll rename it if that makes it help better. Problem 2.2 E. All I have to do is change this. So if I want to use the formula, 22 days at 35. Okay. And the rest I'm just going to do manually because, like I said, we don't have the days in here. So in this particular case, I have 630, 735, 735, 770, and 700. And because I put in the formula for subcontracting on the previous version of the problem, it automatically calculates it for me. And we wind up with the 106,640, which you would have seen in the Word version of the document. So this is a little bit helpful. It doesn't do the calculations for you except calculate the total cost. And it does show you the increases and decreases and things along that line, which if we had a cost for increasing and decreasing would be helpful.